love coming out to like these types of things. And just, you know, like it's great to see everyone out and about.
Well, I saw the event advertised like on Instagram and the campus update, and I wanted to participate in like the senior week activities and take a little study break too.
With today, with the weather being so nice, I just felt I really needed to get out of the house. And then I was on campus for class already, and I saw all the things going on, so I came over to check it out. And all of this is going on, so I decided to stick around and enjoy the festivities and whatnot.
I knew that they were happening. I saw them on Instagram and Facebook and that kind of stuff, and we got an email from them. I did attend the like fire stands. I think it was beginning of this semester, and I saw the fireworks, so I definitely wanted to come by and do more.
I definitely would say some of the positives with this being my last semester here, what's been going on campus and the events that orgs have been attempting to throw with the COVID restrictions, it's been making it a lot easier of a senior year, because initially we didn't think that we were going to be able to do anything in person, and so to see that we're going to be having an in-person graduation ceremony, and we've been having all these nice socially distanced events, like it's really definitely making my senior year better than I thought it was going to be.
Seeing the way that BGSU has handled the coronavirus in a safe way, so watching BGSU handle it in a really good way and the case numbers stay really low was a huge positive for me.
The community aspect, you know, it's like, it's hard with Zoom and everything, but I think BG's done a really great job of just making everyone still feel at home, no matter where they are in class, you know, doing class from their apartment. The professors are constantly checking in, you know, seeing how students are doing, and, you know, things like this too, like making sure students still feel connected to campus and everything.
Good support from the whole university and all like the great people that I have around me. So it made this hard year a lot better.
It was a lot of time to reflect this year, so I was able to like work on my portfolio. I was able to enhance my designs as a graphic designer and like really get comfortable and think about what I wanted to do before I graduated. And I feel pretty confident about it, so it's pretty cool.
It'll be interesting being able to go to new places. I think that's the big thing, is being able to go find my own place and like start branching out into the world.